What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I wanted to make this real brief. It's another shaky cam production, but here is my Pixel 3a XL, and I promised you guys that I would do a giveaway if enough of you wanted it. So I'm going to give away all three of these skins right here. I've got mine on my Pixel 3a XL, and I'm good to go. So 3 people, 1 each, will win one of these. I'm just going to randomly pick. If you leave the color of your Pixel 3a XL in the comments, along with your comment. I mean, if you have a black one, obviously this is going to look great on black, but that'll just be your entry. So, if you want to win one of these, go ahead and leave the color of your phone down there in the comments. And sorry, again, shaky cam production. I'll go ahead and consider that your entry. And then, share this on your social media. If you have Twitter, tag me on Twitter, with your username, with the video. And that way I can see, that you actually shared. If you don't have Twitter and you don't have Instagram or anything like that, just go ahead and leave a comment down below that you're entering with the color of your device. This is for the 3a XL only. I don't have any for the 3a because I don't have the 3a. But this is a real easy one. So I'm just going to pick 3 people randomly, and you're going to get this shipped out to you. And that's it. I love doing giveaways. Again, this isn't like a sponsor video. I just have more than enough skins, and I like SopiGuard, man. I told you I'm rocking with SopiGuard. If I can't get it from SopiGuard, I'm not buying from dbrand or Slick Wraps ever again. And, I don't personally have anything against those companies. Their shipping times suck, man. And they charge $5 for shipping in most cases. I just think that's crazy. If a skin costs $10, like these skins right here are $9 a piece. But that's what you get. You don't have to pay $5 shipping just for one skin. And even though the other, Slick Wraps always have 70% off, it takes them 2 months to ship those skins. So I've already got a full video up on that, on why I'm not using dbrand or Slick Wraps anymore. And I'm not trying to persuade you to do it. But I'm just telling you my experience with SopiGuard. I got these skins in like 2 days. And I'm just going to stick with SopiGuard. If something's working, they're a great company. I don't work for them. It's just a matter of I like something and I want to share it. So leave the color of your device that you have down in the comments. Tag me on Twitter if you have Twitter. If not, just say, hey, Jay, I don't have Twitter, but here's my entry. And we'll do it like that. So I'm just going to upload this directly to YouTube. Another shaky cam production. Shout out to the folks over at SopiGuard for fast shipping. Some of you guys actually say you get fast shipping from dbrand and Slick Wraps, but not in my case, man. It's always been slow. And dbrand is kind of rude on Twitter. They talk to you on Twitter. They cuss people out and stuff. I'm not with that. They never done that to me, but I can't support a company like that. So SopiGuard is what I'm rocking with from here going forward. And if we have a falling out or something like that, which I doubt we will, I'll just stop supporting them. But for right now, SopiGuard is the truth, folks. They ship really, really fast. And right now, you guys have a winner on your hands. You get to enter in this contest right here, and I'll ship you a skin. 3a XL owners, congratulations. 3 people will win these. So remember, pick the color of your device down in the comments, and that you have a 3a XL. Tag me on Twitter with this video. And then if you don't have Twitter, I told you what to do. It's your man Jay. I'm out.